Gli alunni di quarta C presentano London. London is a very big city. This is Westminster Palace. The Big Ben, the famous clock, is in the clock tower. Big Ben is the name of the bell inside the tower. Westminster Abbey. Kings and queens are crowned there. This is the Tower Bridge. It is the most famous bridge in London. Buckingham Palace is very big. The Queen lives here. This is the Tower of London. It is the home of the crown jewels. This is St. Paul's Cathedral.